Class 9th, Chemistry, Chapter 4, Atoms and Molecules, Volume 1. Children, we have studied that atom is smallest particle of matter, but it may or may not have independent existence. Then what name is given to the smallest particle of a substance that exists independently? Yeah, that is molecule. So today we will learn about molecule. Molecule is a group of two or more atoms chemically bonded together which behaves as single entity and capable of independent existence. The atoms within the molecule are held tightly by attractive forces. The molecule may thus be defined as the smallest particle of the substance, that is, element or compound, which can exist independently. Molecule can be divided into two categories: molecule of element and molecule of compound. Molecule of an element is made up of atoms of the same element and can be called homoatomic molecule. Molecules of element can be monoatomic, diatomic, triatomic, tetraatomic or polyatomic depending upon whether they contain one atom, two atoms, three atoms, four atoms or more than four atoms respectively. The number of atoms present in one molecule of the element is called the atomicity of the element. Some examples of molecule includes monoatomic molecules are like noble gases, for example helium, argon, neon. Diatomic molecules, that means the molecules which are made up of two atoms of the element, for example oxygen, which can be represented as O2, hydrogen, which can be represented as H2, nitrogen as N2, chlorine as Cl2. Third is triatomic molecules, that means molecule are made up of three atoms of the element. Example includes ozone, which can be represented as O3. Tetraatomic molecule includes phosphorus, which can be represented as P4. Polyatomic molecules are the molecules which contain more than four atoms. Example includes sulfur, which is S8, and Buckminster fullerene, which is C60, an allotrope of carbon. Next type is molecules of compound. Now, molecules of compounds are made of atoms of different elements. They may also be called as heteroatomic molecules. In such molecule, the atoms of different elements combine in definite proportions by mass. For example, water is made of hydrogen and oxygen element in the ratio 1:8 by mass. The atomic ratio which corresponds to this mass ratio is H:O as 2:1. Thus, the formula of water molecule is H2O. The molecule of compound, they can also be represented just like molecule of element as diatomic, triatomic, tetraatomic or polyatomic depending upon the number of atoms which constitute them. Examples of diatomic molecules of compound includes hydrogen chloride, which means HCl, one hydrogen and one chlorine. That's why it is diatomic. Similarly, carbon monoxide, which is CO. Triatomic molecules includes water, H2O, two atoms of hydrogen and one of oxygen. Then carbon dioxide, CO2. Tetraatomic molecule includes ammonia, which can be represented as NH3. Similarly, polyatomic molecule includes methane, which can be represented as CH4, ethanol, which can be represented as C2H5OH, ethanoic acid, which can be represented as CH3COOH, and glucose with the formula C6H12O6. So these are the examples of polyatomic molecule. So today we have learned about the term molecule and the types molecule of element and compound. Thank you.